Hey, Connecticut. We are a rogue state, and in this court case, which I have on the screen, I can go to the top and show you. Why don't I do that? FST CV 23-502-8567-S. Luthi versus Pritchard. This is a list of disqualified judges, including Chief Justice Chase Rogers, who's involved in this court case with Gennario, Tierney, Randolph, Blowy, Lee, Motley's, Kavanewski, Kowalski, Mintz, Tobin, Provader, Spader, Hudak, the Chief Court Administrator, Patrick Carroll, three appellate court judges, Alvord, De Pentima, I know, and Bright, I know. This is no relation to me. This case disqualifies Attorney General William Tong, Stephen Conover of the statewide Bar Association, and the list goes on, and it is a claim. Here we go. John Hall, David Chen, LD Properties, purchasing properties for no money down, in foreclosure, and flipping them with fake paperwork. These are the clerks involved: Michelle V. McCaffrey, Jonathan Bubar, Elizabeth Hayes, Rhonda Andrews. I don't know many of these people. I do know Jonathan Bubar and Amy Michelvey. McCalla Raymer in their swindle and fraud. These are all the people. The housing clerk, U.S. Marshals, insurance agencies, realtors, Alan Friedman, State Marshal, Bill Kemp, and there are arrest warrants, CGS 54-170, against all these people. He's requesting a grand jury. These are the charges: fraud, swindle, racketeering, seizure, treason, larceny, mortgage fraud, self-entitlement, ejectment, forgery. It's quite a long case, folks. He's claiming they violated all these: the Hobbs Act, the Administrative Procedures Act, Title 18, deprivation of rights under color of law, Title 42, prohibition against retaliation and coercion. So here we go. Whoever willfully and unlawfully conceals, removes, mutilates, obliterates, or destroys, or attempt to, documents filed. Here we go. These are the laws that the clerks violated. If you go down, this is quite an interesting case, yet no judges recognize the nature of it, and it is the most egregious case in Connecticut history, I believe, as far as swindle goes. So I'm just giving you an update about the judges named in the case, how many warrants there are for arrest, and the fact that they're still operating with warrants for their arrest. In a most recent occurrence, the people who are buying these judges, who are basically OxyContin pill mill pushers, have been bribing cops from Connecticut to Texas to get their way, and now they are holding plaintiffs in lawsuits at gunpoint in Connecticut, and the judges are doing nothing about it. So it's the Wild West in Connecticut, and the cases that you should be focusing on, the judiciary knows all about these cases. So does the appellate court. So does the trial court, the criminal court, which refuses to prosecute gunmen aiming pistols, unregistered firearms, at plaintiffs in lawsuits in Connecticut. Yes, it's happening, and many people are receiving death threats, and they're not focused on this at all. No one in the judiciary really gives a crap. Mr. Kissel knows. I'll send this video to Mr. Kissel. There are cases of election fraud, 5G, other cases that rape, extortion by the Stanford Police Department, which is a problem, evidence tampering, and the list goes on and on and on and on. So there you go. This is a problem that won't be fixed, folks. So the state of Connecticut is done. Have a great day.